Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best litter mats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Gorilla Grip Litter Box Mat. The Gorilla Grip Original Cat Litter Mat is a slip-resistant, waterproof option that's durable yet soft on paws. It's also, most importantly, exceptionally good at trapping litter, thanks to its thick, woven coil design. When litter really starts to pile up, removing the pieces is easy. Just shake them back into the box, into your trash, or outdoors. The one weakness of this mat is that it's somewhat difficult to clean if your cat gets sick or has an accident on it, as the mesh coils hold on to whatever comes in contact with it. When accidents happen, hose it down with soapy water to clean it well. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Fresh Kitty Foam Litter Box Mat. Don't let its low price fool you. The Fresh Kitty Jumbo Foam Mat effectively traps litter with its ribbed surface, keeping your floors mess-free. Made of soft foam, this option is especially comfortable for cats to walk on, while its substantial size makes it great for multi-cat households. It can also be tossed in the washing machine to clean up accidents, though it does need to be air-dried. One potential downside: it doesn't feature any type of outer lip, which means urine can easily follow the grooves off the edge. It's also not 100% waterproof, so you might want to invest in a waterproof liner to place underneath. At number 3, we have the Petlinks Multipurpose Litter Mat. Thanks to its rubber construction, the Petlinks litter mat is a worthy opponent for cats who like to move their litter boxes and mats around. The mat uses small wells to trap litter, which is similar to a honeycomb design, though this one only has one layer. It also does an excellent job of holding liquids and other wet messes without the unpleasantness seeping through or spilling off the side of the mat. Petlinks Perfect Paws Litter Mat's patented design spreads a cat's paw pads as it walks across the mat, forcing stray pieces of litter dropped from your cat's paws and capturing them in the deep hollows. At number 2, we have the Iprimio Large Cat Litter Mat. If you're dealing with persistent litter tracking issues, the Iprimio Large Cat Litter Mat is worth considering. This oversized mat is designed for large cats, providing maximum coverage around the litter box. We're talking about a whopping 32 by 30 inches, which significantly helps reduce litter scatter. Its double-layer design features a honeycomb top to trap litter as it falls through the holes and a waterproof bottom layer to protect your floors from accidents. The mat is also easy to clean. Fold it and pour trapped litter back into the box, then vacuum it out or wash it in the sink. It's also equipped with a non-slip backing to prevent slipping, sliding, bunching up, and shifting on smooth surfaces. And finally, at number 1, we have the CatGuru Cat Litter Mat. For a functional and attractive pick, you can't go wrong with this microfiber mat from CatGuru, which simultaneously cleans dirty paws and traps excess litter between its fibers. We also like that it has 2 backing options, a heavy-duty TPR backing that's waterproof, and a hot melt backing, which is designed to be non-slip on any surface, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. It's comfortable to walk on and machine washable for easy cleaning. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.